What's up, everybody? Welcome to my new Dress to Impress channel. I know I have no followers, no videos, nothing, but I was just a little too excited to post a video, and I just joined this game, so perfect. But today we're just gonna do, I may do one or two stream recordings of me playing. I don't really know. But yeah, I'm super excited. I love Dress to Impress, and it's gonna be really fun. But I remember whenever I first started playing Dress to Impress, I would always go on YouTube to search inspirational videos. But there really was nothing because it wasn't too popular yet. It was mainly just certain themes. Like when Inside Out 2 came out, it was only Inside Out 2, inspirational videos, but you know. So I'm hoping there may be some people out there, and I know I have no followers, and probably no one will see this, but there can be some people out there that just want to learn how to play, and want to learn how to do everything. Yeah. So I'm not really good at the obbies. Should we teleport? I kind of want to. No. But yeah, some people might need help. I love Dress to Impress. I've always loved Dress to Impress. This is such a good theme. I'm not too good at it. I spent a lot of my money on post packs today because I had millions of dollars and I was spending it on post packs. But what the Sigma? Okay. Let's scroll to the bottom. It always does that. Okay. I'm sure. I guess I'm gonna have to. Will the messy bun work? I don't like that. But yeah, it always messes up. Oh wait, it worked. I don't know. Which one should I do? Hey, which one should I do? I kind of just want to keep it simple with this one. And we're going to do this color hair. And let's go get a face. I'm trying to get a lot of money to buy more post packs because I bought 3 today. I didn't know they were expensive like that. They're only $400, but you know. I'm gonna do no makeup just because I feel self-care Sunday. If you're not going to church or whatever, and you're just getting a spa, you don't really need makeup. So I'll do a little makeup. I'm just gonna do that. Cute and classy. Okay, now let's go get the skin color. That's weird. Normally I do this one. That one feels so much better. My phone's brightness was going down. Rude. But I entered a code for these. They're so cute. Anything else in here that I want? No. These slippers are cute. I've been waiting to use these. And now we're gonna get the sleeping mask. And we're gonna let's do white. And then a pink boarding across. On head. Cutesies. Okay. Now we're gonna do, I know what to do actually. I hear my sisters arguing. Okay, and then these pants. Yes. Tell me why this is actually cute. If it wasn't self-care Sunday, I would wear it. Wait, why do the pants look, oh, there it goes. I was the pants look a little pink. Okay, this is cute. Sorry, I kind of woke up, not too long ago. So that's hoopies. And I guess I have everything. Should I get like a journal to write in? I don't know. I might get the pillow. Well, I don't want it covering the jacket. Let's see how it looks with the poses. Let's say the peace sign. Okay, I guess I'm gonna do it like that. I'm just gonna get the drink, actually. It's easier and cuter. Wait, she's such a baddie. Can I make the pants higher? I'm getting so many notifications. Okay, let's pick my poses. I think we're gonna do the peace sign. We're gonna do sparkle peace sign. Let's do the supermodel pack. There's a lot in this pack. What about the baddies? I love the baddies. Oh, yes, yes, yes. Okay, I have 11 seconds. I'm just gonna walk around and get money because I really need some more money. Wait, I need my nose. My nose. Give me the chair thingy. Dang. Okay, so voting is going on right now. I'm not voting her 5 stars or anything because it wasn't that good. Okay, here's this. No, it's not that good. You can friend me on Roblox if you want. But I don't really like hers. She should have put the sleeping mask on her head. What in the bunny ears? I don't really like hers either. I don't want to be a cocky, but I think I'm going to win. But honestly, who knows? Because a lot of the time, my outfits are really good and I don't even win. Grr. After this run, I'm going to end the video because this was like my first video. And I want it to be kind of short. I don't want to overthrow y'all. Hers is good. Okay, she gets 2 stars. Or she gets 3. Hers is good. I should have done the headphones. I bet I'm next. Nope. That's my sister's friend. I don't really like it. Sorry, I'm sorry. I just don't really like it. But I'll give it 2 stars since it's my sister's friend. Oh, it's me, guys. Yes. I'm literally a baddie. Let's do the peace sign. Or no sparkle. I want the peace sign. This is probably the last one. Oh, after this one, probably the last one. Hers is cute. Okay, baddie. Let me give it 2 or 3. 2 or 3. Hers is cute. Oh, the face mask. That's really smart. But I'm not going to vote her 5 stars. I always go through, the chat and request, do friend requests. I always do that. Guys, I won. And the girls I voted for won. OMG. Guys. thank you all so much for watching today's video. I'm gonna try to get up more followers and videos and likes and everything so I can post more. And actually, I will be spamming this channel because, yeah. But today's daily dress to impress question, I'm going to ask one every day. If y'all could go back to the old Obbies, would y'all? Like the old dressing room, the old Obbies. No. Okay. So I really like, I'm not going to play the next round, but I'm going to like demonstrate for y'all. I'm not a huge fan of the Obbies because I suck, and the old ones I was really good at the Obbies. But I do like the new changing rooms and like where you can save an outfit and like where you can put in the new codes. I really do like that. And I like the Halloween update because it gives you like, whenever the theme is like wolf ears, you know, it gives you wolf ears. Like for example, here are the dressing rooms. You can save outfits, codes, you know, you can put in a code right there. And then the Halloween stuff is over here, like the wolf ears, cat ears, you know. But yeah, that is all for today. I really hope you guys enjoyed. And follow me, and I'll see y'all in the next. Bye.